It's Halloween, so today
I'm Jung.
I'm Gintoki.
Younguk.
I'm Little Red Riding Hood.
I'm Ken.
And yeah, Katie's Ken from Vix.
This is so much fun.
We decided to dress up today if you can't tell. Okay, so first of all, there's a bunch of these came out today. What are we watching first?
Puppy.
Blackie! Zero for Conduct was a really freaking cool song, so...
Yeah, it was.
Okay, so here is Blackie BASTARZ, Make It Rain, and go. That was way too loud, guys.
I like it
Wow,
loud.
Yeah, I have a hard time hearing.
Does he have a mustache? Are you kidding me?
I think it's draw. Is it draw?
It looks like dirt on his
Ooh! Money?
In the trash.
In the trash. What was that?
What is that? Looks like a king gun.
Yeah.
Woo! I like this.
They joke.
Yes, they do. Dang, why are they all tied up in the back of some car?
They really did something bad. Got in trouble.
Oh.
Ow.
They, that kind of looks like
I don't know.
So karaoke rooms could watch that.
Right. What is with that, like? Oh, freaky. See that? It like keeps spinning and then like
Sometimes it looks like a game. Like
yeah.
items. I don't know.
Wow. Hey. Yes.
That's a cool song.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay.
This is a cool song.
Yeah. But there was like no. What was with the coffin at the end?
There was no conclusion.
Did you see the coffin getting?
Yeah. He was. One of them was laying on top of the coffin.
You know what? I don't even know
I
what
feel
that
like
was
that they
about.
were like mixed up with like some shady people.
Yeah.
They owed some money.
Maybe, I don't know, but I don't know. I don't know
They're
what.
like buried alive in one scene.
Yeah, but anyway, the song was freaking awesome.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was a
I
really,
really
really,
liked that
really
song.
good song.
I usually always like Blackie songs. Though.
Yeah.
They're
Yeah,
always
that's
super good.
true.
Blackie has really good stuff. And the Zero for Conduct that BASTARZ came out with last time was just. I listen to that song like on repeat sometimes, just over and over and over again.
Yep.
This one's a really good song too. I liked it a lot. That one scene with like the building, I don't even know, like the
It just looked like it was all tearing
like
apart.
yeah, everything was like
Yeah.
like coming
the
up
world,
around
like, oh,
them. It
it's
was
so
really
cool.
cool looking. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.